Hello and good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a deep learning environment with TensorFlow and Keras in Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system. Firstly, what you need to do is to download an Anaconda graphical installer. To do that, you need to go to the anaconda.org website, which can be accessible from your web browser. So type anaconda.org from your web browser and then you will be forwarded to the Anaconda website. Please note that the Anaconda website may change from time to time. However, it always offers a free version of Anaconda environment. So to do that, you have to click download Anaconda over here. And then you will be presented with the UI. So you may have the option to download the Anaconda individual edition, which is suitable for our workshop purposes. So to do that, just click download and then your Anaconda graphical installer will be downloaded to your computer. So please wait until the installer have finished downloading and then install your Anaconda environment from the installer then on. Afterwards, we will continue in the next segment.